Hey guys, welcome back to the Analyzer. Today is January 17, 2021. We are going to analyze Apple stock, ticker AAPL. Before we do, please click that like button and subscribe to the channel and hit the bell notification for all. That way, it will help out the YouTube algorithm and get new content notifications from me. Also, keep in mind that I'm not a financial advisor. This video is for entertainment and educational purposes only. So with that being said, let's get right into it. Here we are with the Apple in the 4-hour chart. Since um, August, we see this trend line, the channel that Apple have been staying within. We are going upwards and we're still sticking to it. We tested a few times and we bounced back, and it's very bullish for Apple stock. So RSI looks neutral, um, more towards the oversold. Um, MACD looking bullish. We look like we're gonna break to the upside soon. Volume needs to pick back up in order for Apple to do that. And you notice we break all-time high on September 2nd. On we tried to test it again on December 29th, got rejected. Come back down and get back and test the 127.24 support, and that is a very strong support. Has been proven back here and here, no, and a few times here. But I think Apple have a lot of leg room to go. So I'll explain why I've drawn that in. The past couple of weeks, there has been a lot of negative um, catalyst within the political news, and it affects the whole market overall. So, but I expect that to deteriorate and everything go back to normal, and Apple gonna pick up, you know, um, test that all-time high at around 138 towards earning. I expect Apple to beat earning and give out some news about the electric car plan that they have, and I think we're gonna break it. We're gonna break resistance at 138, and people gonna sell off, take some profit, and then we're gonna slowly break that resistance, leave that behind, and create our new time high. And I think Apple can do that. There's a lot of good news with Apple lately. I don't see anything negative for Apple. I think Apple had the leg room for it. 4 hours chart looking very bullish. Volume need to pick back up. 2 hours, same thing. We are closer to the oversold. MACD will cross and cross to the upside. And if you notice here, Apple has been staying close to the 50 SMA and the 100 SMA. On the 4 hours, though, it looks a lot more bullish. We're sitting right around the 50 SMA. Um, the 1 hour, we're looking a little bit bearish because we crossed the 200 SMA, but we are also creeping towards the oversold area as well. So I expect us to pick back up and sit on top of the 50 SMA and the 100 SMA. 1 minute, you know, again, looks bearish, but I expect Apple to go back up. Apple have the ability to do that with all the with earning coming up, and a lot of good catalysts uh, fundamentally for the stock. So I think will be fine with Apple. I own Apple, and I invest in it. I I believe the company's fundamental, and they have a great ecosystem, especially now with the electric car and uh, and the Biden administrative come in, and they all about being green and all. So I think Apple will break that and create all-time high again. So yeah, that's all I have for you. Hope you guys like the content, and let's make some money.